The easiest brownies recipe you will ever make. You don't need to put the chocolate in a water bath, you don't need to add brown sugar. It's very easy to make and very delicious. It has the nice crust from the outside and the fudgy, gooey texture from the inside. In a bowl, break 4 eggs at room temperature. Add 1 tablespoon of vanilla sugar and 2 cups of sugar. Mix all the ingredients very well until it turns creamy in texture. You can mix it by hand, but it will take a longer time. This step helps to make the crusty layer from the top. Now add half a cup of vegetable oil and half a cup of melted butter. The butter is melted, but I let it cool at room temperature. I don't want it to be hot. Mix it a little bit until the ingredients are fully mixed together. Now, no more mixing with the hand mixer. We will add the flour and the cocoa, 1 cup of flour and 1 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder. Sift the ingredients over the liquid batter. Now with a spatula, mix the ingredients like this. Don't overmix, we want the brownies to be fudgy and tender. Now it's mixed, I will add 1 cup of chocolate chunks. I cut it into small pieces. It's optional, but it's very delicious. Mix the chocolate gently with all the ingredients together. The texture should look like this. It's thick and not runny. In a tray, I put a parchment paper and I will pour the brownies batter over it. Now make sure to distribute the brownies evenly. Now to a preheated oven on 180 degrees Celsius. On the middle rack, the heat from the bottom from 25 to 30 minutes. It might take less or more depending on your oven. Check with a toothpick, you should see some crumbs on it. It should not be dry completely. Now it's done. Don't cut it directly, leave it at room temperature. When it's warm or at room temperature, it holds its shape and it's easier to cut. Cut it gently to prevent ruining the top. And the brownies is done. You can serve it directly and enjoy this delicious fudgy brownies. My recipe is done here. I can't wait for you to try it and let me know your opinion. صحتين وهنا.